Hi guys, so today is the Chacki XK Fusion workshop and I'm gonna take you along. Here's a quick fit check. I looked like a walking rainbow cupcake. On the way I got these flowers for Chacki and also some water. I didn't film that, and I also didn't film how I waited outside of the venue with Jay. So here's a clip of us before the first class started. Here's me with Evelyn. And in the first class, Chacki taught the choreography to Sticker by NCT 1 to 7. And I did get to participate in the class a little, but I also didn't forget to do my job there, which was filming some vlog material for TikTok. And here you have some shenanigans with Melinda and Jay. And in the second class, Chacki taught his own choreography to Sweaty. And that one was harder than Sticker, which you can see by us messing up here. But it definitely gets better the more you practice. After the second class was over and we hustled everyone out there, we took some pictures in front of the building and headed over to the Korean restaurant Minari, where we celebrated their opening. We had like a giveaway where you could win some food. We ordered corn dogs. I never had corn dogs before, but they were very good. Here's Melissa. Oh, Chacki and I ordered the same drink. It was very good. And here's some more of the food we ordered. Yum, yum, yum. And then it was time for our special guest to leave. And after we got our food and ate, we also made our way home. It was a long but successful day. We were very done, as you can see. But I am very, very happy and thankful for this day and that I get to hang out with and meet new people. And that was my day as K-Fusion supporter.